As a result of the previous lecture, we now have several hundred products that fit our basic criteria. Next, you'll learn how to access the brand owner and buy box seller information to see what kind of products they have. Refer to page 14 of the PDF file if you want to follow along. I've already checked the first two products on our list here, and they're sold by private label merchants. Let me show you one of them. Notice how the supplier or the manufacturer here is the same as the seller here. If you click through to the supplier's store on Amazon, you'll see they have only 10 products and they're all some kind of plastic jars. So that's a private label seller and we wouldn't be able to get an account with them. So let's look at the next one. This will also show us links to the brand owner and the buy box seller. You can see that the brand owner is Chefland and the seller is Utensil Pro. You can tell that Utensil Pro is a prime seller because it says fulfilled by Amazon. I'll talk more about the seller link in the Spying on Your Competitors lecture later in the course. So let's just look at Chefland for now. When I click on Chefland, I see that they have a huge shop on Amazon. Notice the search bar at the top is now targeted only at Chefland products. So let's do the open and close bracket trick to see how many products they have. Here's the result. That's a pretty big store. If we could get a wholesale account with Chefland, we would have a bunch of products to choose from. To get an idea of what other profitable products they might have, we'll turn on the Jungle Scout extension for this Chefland page. I click on the JS icon in the extension bar of my browser and I see the JS tool like this. The Jungle Scout extension has collected all the data for the first page of the search results for the Chefland store. I'm going to sort the estimated sales from highest to lowest, and you can see that Jungle Scout estimates thousands of sales each month. However, one thing that is a little disturbing is in the sellers column on the far right. There's only one seller for most items, which means that Utensil Pro, the seller, remember, probably has an exclusive agreement with Chefland to be the only seller on Amazon. This isn't unusual for big stores like Chefland. Utensil Pro may even be the Chefland Amazon store name. One way to filter around situations like this is to input a minimum of 2 sellers in the Jungle Scout web app and run a new search of the database. This will eliminate most private label products. The main point here, you can see how finding just one good product can lead to finding many more when using tools like Jungle Scout. So far we've only looked at products inside the Chefland store. Let's back up a bit and see how to find products similar to Chefland using the original Chefland product listing. This will give us options in case we can't get an account with Chefland. If we return to the original Chefland product page and run the Jungle Scout extension, we'll see similar products from other brands. This will give us some new brands to pursue for wholesale accounts. Notice the new brand names. Where does Jungle Scout get these products? These products come from the frequently bought together, and customers who bought this item also bought sections found below the product listing. You now have several new brands to go after. First though, ignore products where you see AMZ in the buy box seller column. Just click on one of the product name links and go analyze that product like we've just done above. If you have access to the Jungle Scout web app, you can save interesting product pages into the Jungle Scout web app product tracker by clicking on the orange plus button along the left side of the Jungle Scout extension dialog box. This saves them for later analysis. You should now have a list of proven profitable products and the names of their suppliers and sellers. In the next lecture, we'll make use of one more method where we can make use of all this valuable information.